Take a ride in the 2019 Evoque. The all-new Range Rover Evoque is the lightest and most fuel-efficient Range Rover to date, continuing our commitment to environmental sustainability, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear fog light, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rear window defroster, security system, low tire pressure warning. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.